honest. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once.
I said I'm ready to go, guys, with my bag. So I've not been speaking in this video because I just have a lot of things to put together, but you guys are going to be spending today with me as a Nigerian student. So fingers crossed, you see every single thing I get up to today in school. And the school is also having its school week, different departments. So our department is next week, stroke faculty is next week. I might vlog the process for you, but my class is for 8 and it's currently after 7, so I just want to quickly tidy up some things together before I leave the house. But this is my final look with my t-shirt. I have 2 presentations today in school, guys. 2 presentations, so I just pray things go well for me. I'll see you guys later when I get to school.
Love, kisses and hugs. I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no plan. You acting kinda shady.
check it, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it go right foot.
Yeah, stepping in the spot like she own